So, Mom, why are we filming today?
Because it's a beautiful spring day and I'm wearing a cute new top.
It's primarily because she's wearing a top that she likes.
Yeah.
Do you want to show them what you're wearing?
No.
All right.
They can see from here. New top.
All right.
And jewelry I've had.
All right. So, Mama, today
Yes,
we are going to be opening the Disney Doorables Treasures from the Vault collection peek.
Ooh, I always, these are all the classic characters.
Yeah, so it looks like this is one of the Tres Caballeros. So we have the other two, which is great. And then there's a bonus character here.
Which is some kind of mouse.
Yes.
Whether it's probably a Mickey, but we'll see.
Yes. I hope that this Baloo is flocked because we already have that Baloo right there. So if this one's flocked, that'll make this one better.
And
so
I love the Pinocchio. Pinocchio is super cute.
All right. So we know
started.
12 doors. We'll get them unwrapped. You gonna knock on the door? Yoo-hoo, big summer blowout. Oh, can we get it open? Oh, the door is really stuck. Maybe
Yes,
it's...
because it's from the vault, so you have to...
Oh, I was just gonna say it's because of high humidity.
No, it's because it's the vault, so it's creaky and old.
Oh, well.
These are like characters from a long time ago. Wait, don't go. We got to do them together. Lady.
I'm being reprimanded again. All right, Mama, show them inside your doors.
Here's the doors. Okay.
And the bonus figure is Engineer Mickey.
Ah,
So we have
here's
12
Mickey.
doors here. I've been informed it'll just be an extra one. So let's get them opened. To show you, you cannot eat this. Okay, will you not bark now? Maybe? Yes? No? You are very cute. All right, Mom, there's a dog over there. So eat it that way, okay?
Ready, set, eat. Okay.
Good job.
Let's get started. And we did only have 12, sadly, so no bonus one, which would have been Engineer Mickey.
Yep.
But, so,
All right,
wait, let's
start feeling. Look, you can't eat that. This isn't edible. All right, Mom, who do you think that is?
I'm guessing Pluto.
Okay. Are you right?
Yeah, and it's a flocked one.
Yay.
Look how cute. I love the flock.
Yes. All right, put him in the line up here.
Yes, let's see what the next one is.
Look at how cute he is. He is so precious. So cute.
Okay, I think I already know. This one I believe is Donald Duck.
Okay.
Let's see. I am correct. Is he flocked too? He's flocked too.
Are they all
I
flocked?
don't know, but that's exciting.
Yeah, so we have a Tres Caballeros, Donald Duck now, to go with our other two. Okay, Mom can start guessing. Who is it?
I'm guessing Pinocchio.
Is he going to be flocked? Let's see.
I don't know. I'll be very excited.
Use your teeth. Use your teeth, my lord.
Yes, he's flocked too.
Oh, I'm
they
so
must all be.
This whole collection is flocked. That's
Very
exciting.
cute.
All right, put him down with the rest.
Fluffy. Okay.
All right, everyone. Look at how cute all of our characters so far are.
Guessing Goofy on this one. No, I'm wrong. Oh, let's see.
That's Dale. No, that's Chip.
This is Chip. Chip
Yes.
has a
Black nose. He has a black nose. Dale has a red nose.
Really dark brown, but yeah.
Oh, look at how cute he
They
is.
are super, super too.
So cute, and he's got a little bow. So adorable. Okay, Mom, you got that one? You good? Or do you need a minute?
I'm gonna guess Lady from Lady and the Tramp, which would be so exciting because we
He's
do
a
not
tramp,
have any from
But
Lady
we
and the Tramp.
love him. Who is it?
Yes. Oh my gosh, she's adorable.
You're doing very well at guessing this time, too.
Well, that's because there aren't that many. So
Yeah.
I don't have as many to choose from.
No, you've gotten these collection peaks before and epically failed.
That's very true.
Yes.
You are right about that. You are right about
Very
that.
cute.
Okay, I'm going to guess Goofy.
All right.
It's either Goofy or Robin Hood, but I think Goofy. No, I'm wrong. It's Bambi.
Oh, look at how cute
She-
Bambi is.
so sweet.
And we have Thumper already, too, so this is
Do we?
excellent.
Oh,
Yes.
Is Thumper flocked?
Thumper is flocked.
Oh, that's cool. They have a friend.
Very
Okay.
cute. Thumper finally has a friend.
I am guessing Robin Hood. Robin Hood and Little John walking through the forest. I do believe I am correct. Oh my goodness.
And you're failing.
And I am
Oh,
failing. Oh, he's really cute too. Look at Robin Hood.
I
Robin Hood.
love how the flocking on all of these. It's so
Super cute.
adorable.
All right. Okay.
Who is it?
This is either Mickey or Minnie, and I'll guess Minnie, just because. Oh, I'm wrong.
It's Mickey?
Oh, it is Minnie. It is Minnie. You know what's throwing me? Is
They're flocked.
The flocked, and it's not black. It's the gray because of the flocking, which is super duper cute. Super cute. Super cute.
All right, we have 4 more left.
I am guessing Baloo
Okay.
from Jungle Book.
And actually, I think this one we actually have the non-flocked version of it, so we'll show you the difference if she is correct.
I am correct.
Yep,
Look,
so here's
are
the
they
difference.
The same?
Yes, they're the same pose and everything.
So one, they just
flocked him.
They flocked him. That sounds bad.
That does sound
That
bad.
sounds like they
It
flocked
sounds
him.
like a number of different things.
Yes.
But they're okay. They're cute.
Okay, this one, I believe, this one's got to be Goofy. Because we don't have Goofy yet.
No, you do not.
I'm right, it's Goofy. Look at Goofy, how cute Goofy is.
Okay, let's put Goofy with the rest of them.
Okay, so all that we have left is Dale and Mickey. So I am guessing Dale. And I am correct because we already did Chip. I'm Chip. I'm Dale. I don't know the song.
Okay, so who's the last one, Mom? It has to be
Has to
Mickey
be
Mouse.
Mickey Mouse.
Saving the original for last.
The original for last. We would not have the House of Mouse if it wasn't for
The actual mouse.
the actual mouse, this little flocked guy.
All
The
right.
original wasn't flocked.
And here are, stay up. Here are all 12 of the ones that we got in the treasures from the vault. Did you have fun?
I did. I always have fun opening them, and they are super cute. Love the flock ones. Really love the flock ones.
All right. Bye, everyone.
Bye.